Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have an incredible car, 1992 Ford Mustang. This started out as a summer edition. It's hardly that anymore. It's a very special car. My client's got a ton of money in this car. He's owned it for about 5 years. It's got a 363 Boss motor. It's a great motor. It is dynoed at 435 real wheel horsepower on a Dynojet. 397 pounds of torque. Sitting on a set of Cobra R wheels. It's got Baer brakes all the way around. Those are cross drilled and slotted. Thing stops on a dime. Summer editions came with everything white. They came in a couple of different colors. This one's white. Gives you the white moldings, the white spoiler. They came with white wheels, white mirrors. Limited edition, white interior, white top. I remember them because I was in the Army, gawking over 3 of them in the dealership. Trick throw heads, about 4,000 miles on the motor. Ford Racing 47-pound injectors. Autofab 75mm throttle body. Mustang Magic and Deer Park did all the work on this car. They know Mustangs inside and out. They've been in business for about 20 years. I know the owner. It's got a 03 Cobra track lock rear, posi, 31 spline axles, 373 gears, custom interior, custom stereo. It's got a T56 6-speed in it too. Custom phantom gauges, they're all white and matches everything. Custom American Racing exhaust. It's got an X-pipe too. Sounds so freaking good. This little car is a monster. Fat tire on the back. Big Baer brakes keep this thing stopped. This is a 275/40 R17. Beautiful, super straight body. In the front, we got a 245/45 17. 17's all the way around. Hood pins up front. Get that hood tied down. Custom PF fog lights. Hardly your stock Mustang anymore. Nice cowl hood. You can really notice the cowl on that. Very nicely done. Not overly done. You gonna say something, Ed?
There's a set of streets looks to go with it.
Oh, cool. What are they, ET streets? MT Mickey Thompson's? Yeah, ET Streets. Alright, Ed, fire this thing up. Sold a CUDA for Ed a couple years ago. One mean mamma jamma, man. These came factory with 225 horsepower. It's double that now. Fully inspected too. It has high flow cats on it. Inspection was just done in January. These are custom bucket seats too. In the center console, we added a couple 12-volt adapters. Kenwood stereo. It's got a woofer in the back too. Showing 38,000 miles, but again, there's about 4,000 miles on the build on this car. Shut this door. Custom gauges. There's your volts, RPM, oil, water. Got real strong oil pressure. Working AC. A little bit of a challenge to get that AC going on. This great motor. Kenwood stereo. Obviously Bluetooth, HD. Everything. There we go. Boss motor, full roller, trick flow heads. Got a Baer booster under here too. Monster aluminum radiator by the Wizard. Stainless steel headers, like I said, by American Racing. They're the best in the business. Trick flow intake. Huge throttle body with polish. Those are the Maximum Motorsport adjustable front coilovers. Hood steel, not glass. Fogs look nice. Just enough, not overly done. Coils are nice and sticky too. Definitely recommend the drag radials on these cars because tires light up right away. We go for a ride, Ed? Also has a new top. Ed pretty much threw the checkbook at this. He's got about 37,000 in receipts in the motor alone. Man, this thing's a monster. Man, I remember these back in the day. Okay. My favorite. Got nice street manners. So you get on it. Sounds good. Big Baer brakes really stop nice. Runs so cool too. 90 degrees here today. Definitely a neighbor waker. Man. Give us a call, 631-339-0399. So check out about 200 photos I took on the website today, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.